YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Riley Bread. Today we got another banger. Let's see. Cool. So you know the deal. We deal exclusively in Prada. And this is the first kind like this I've ever had. Here we go. Prada America's Cup with the Velcro straps. No laces. And these are looking beautiful. Here we go. We got black leather going around. Silver mesh. Black bottoms. Insole is like a tan color. Leather. And then white on the midsole. Very clean on these straps here. Oh yeah. So this is pretty much just the exact model of the America's Cup PS0906. But this is indeed the 4P072311.5. Very nice. Which one do you guys prefer? I like laces. These could be passed off as like some senior shoes, or someone who can't tie their shoes. But hey, to each is their own. Whatever floats your boat. I think I must have got these for maybe like 75, 80, but they're clean. Came with the bag. Every time I sell these products, I want to include a bag, so, and a box, best case scenario, but take what we can get and we work with it. These are very nice. Very good condition too. The heel drag is light ski, super light ski. Let me do a little try on for y'all. Yeah, so this one, regular. This one, crazy style. To each is their own, right? But yeah, I dig these. Mad comfy. I'm still trying to figure out what the ideal activity of these shoes is. In terms of, is it riding a bike? Is it training in the gym? Going for a run? I guess you can really do all that. And my cat just threw up. Oh, that's great. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe if you want to see some more. I got plenty of other Prada videos on my channel and to come. So yeah, thanks y'all.